want to hear me, yeah, tonight. I don't mind that Uber driver. I could be by that Uber. Oh my girl, my name my honey, girl. Make me a baby, and I can make you my lady. Oh no.
Ebimu the different agenda ene di si ho. Ghana for oh nsem o Ghana dodo. Chese ebimu kwa ko mbema no. Omo nhye che.
Chamano, obi sani tintinto, this like chimano. This is my line.
So far now, a very big shout out going out to Keche Global. Afua metina ha na say I'm trending queen and I said just queen me the trends ni na ebremo. This is nsem ewo Ghana metina say asem amonim nsem ne de Ghana ha matter no the finish they be a new story, but today we are talking about Singathon and Afua Asantewaa lady na all Ghana enim no. If you are very active on social media there by now they will say nsem and I say nyema bebre AC ewo Akwaba village right here in Accra. She's attempting the longest singing marathon. A friend is Singathon. I just say breaking some record be and Ghana for the Ghanaians we are solidly behind her. Ye pray say obey make it challenge. In fact she will. Looking at Vim so far no say near air corner challenge is not easy. So personally you know I was there and she's doing incredibly well. Or yeah I dare I just say we all need to support her. What I say. So the Singathon happened today. Currently, you know, she has done 1 day and some hours. She's supposed to sing for 4 good days plus extra 9 hours. And I just say, she really needs our support, motivation. Be able to media money. Be able to call Kwaba village or now call face to face once I know and give her all the morale now. So far, some celebrities be a yominim they are really supporting her, which is very laudable. And we are expecting say more of them will go and give her that support that she needs. Now, aside celebrities, also big ups to Ghanaians. You guys are doing wonderful. Just say a lot of people really showed up. And that year, Oko grounds and I say, are you butu. People are supporting her from all places. Just say, Cape Coast, all the way from Cape Coast to Accra, just to support her. And this is good. Where you be there, we say, so because it's a very big agenda. So far now, a very big shout out going out to Na Ashoko. She was there to support Sister Afua, Abiana, and you know, Keche Global, and GH comedians, Lexi, Obi, a lot of them, but GH comedians so why are there patches. I see no almost so anymore. And on quite alone is a lot of motivation for the lady to keep doing what she's doing. And our very own favorite person, Nana Mama Brown, or no so as usual, no they want to be cranka. A lot of them just say lead their force in our science and math quiz lady. She was also there to show her support, which is very good. It is celebrities now yes, all of you should just pass through and give her that support that she needs. Once all two monyum, will give her some ginger. She will keep going. She will keep doing what she's doing so that a bit record so that a bit breaking Ghana so so aside that, a lot of things happened on the ground. Though say you quite support any amount of fans and everything, we say Ghana for so the different agenda NADC Ghana for oh in some Ghana do just say ebimu kwa ko mbema no omo nhye just say omo really or 6 packs. Gym now this is a Singathon. Brana betu you na support no about one shot then I what are you trying to say? I won't hear my dear. And I ladies know so hey and yes I'm aware. With Miss Born in 16 years or 16 years, I be 16 years. Just say a lot of things they happen for there. So if you are not there, trust me, you are missing out. You need to be on the grounds. Now I'll support you more. And a very big shout out to Ghanaian sponsors. So I don't want to mention any names. I'm just say free advert, but trust me, a lot of them were there to show their support. Ebimuma free drinks, some free food, finger foods, being in Namu, as of far near the spring goes, beer wall and things. It is if you are sitting at home, think you say, oh, kosa, energy bed draining, and you don't have money to feed yourself and into your better baby. Please, it's not like that. Just go there. You'll be fed. Just say, they will pay beer, drinks, food, ni now or fala. all for you to support Afua Asantewaa. It's an agenda where the any Afua Nkwade, it is not for me, it is for all of us, Ghana. Yeni nam. Aside any Gina air costono, a lot of revenues, ABC woho. Maybe I'll call if you are unemployed. What are you waiting for? Go there. You will meet your destiny helpers. Some of you go and meet your, your future husbands, your wives. Just the opportunity need there. Fala, a lot of it. So don't think you are just going to scream and shout and be exhausted and just go home like that. No, a lot of benefit comes with it. It depends on your convenience and just package you. Trust me, you come back with a lot of testimonies. So yes, the singing marathon is still happening. She's supposed to sing from 24th to 27th plus extra 9 hours. And so far, she has done 1 day plus some hours and still going into. We are hoping say Bibia Ebekoye attempt. Trust me, is not easy. All of us need to be there. You never say young call so that will give her all the morale that she needs to be able to break this challenge. She's doing incredibly well so far. Edu baby, I said the voice no atiako na emba na Ghana phone e bisu iradi please so we beg go. Just say any easy one a voice in the sabai and I just say the magic and miracles where they happen for them. You know be joke. Aside any Gina our grounds there are lots of negative comments over social media. If you know you can't be there to support on social media. Just target. But if you should just take your phone with data and not show negativity, meanwhile also you're Ghanaian, what is your agenda? What are you trying to achieve? Like, it doesn't really make sense. And now with this negativity, I'm a Makai. So we have a renowned producer, IFN Zap Mallet. Me sure a lot of people know him. Oh yeah, very active music space. I'm sure you know him. Wababe Tweety and also Wababe Troade with social media, which has got a lot of people talking. Now, I say no, I don't understand, because this is what you would do. Now I attract a lot of bad comments. Later, now because people don't respect on social media, they write unnecessary things. But sometimes also, what you people are putting out there attract it. Like, it is not really nice. Baba Betro say, oh, na girl, no, she needs to eat heavy, and she's feeling for the lady. Like, just a degrading comment. Honestly, the comment is not nice at all, especially looking at Nipana or Troyan. You know, if it's a normal person, but you're a well-respected person in society, into the little voice now, what they can say, Papa, it will just trend whatever we are already doing, out onto another level, be projecting instead of degrading, hey, it's like it's not really cool. There's no kukwa. And we also have positive news, and so a bit from Lady Brabia Fenichecheku on social media, yeah. And I think a couple of incorporations trust so much as inspiring messages. Ama Afua Asantewaa, she really has lovers. It's a lovers, yeah, lovers. She has a lot of supporters on social media. So also a negativity for also a walk up. But please, let's try as much as possible. Saying a man or that good energy, because negativity, it will bring nothing. Even like, it doesn't really make sense. Some people are even commenting about her vocals, saying the vocals are poor, and also to say all that, and I say, like, really, it doesn't matter. This is a Singathon. You can't say lyrics at and I say voice at or whatever. This is not about the voice. It's not about how sweet the voice is, and I say how accurate the lyrics are. This is about she's singing, the act of singing. And no, it is a look elsewhere. This one, the challenge, is Singathon. She's singing. That is what we want. So those bashing her for the voice, and bad lyrics, please, it doesn't really count. And we just wanted to sing for that number of hours now. What I say. So yes, Ghana for moving to me, I am an IFS. So please give her all the support she needs on social media. Now, Bibia Enkoyi, what I say. So yes, Singathon is still happening at Akwaba village inside Accra. And I wouldn't know why. Simple. Let's just support her because she's doing this for Ghana. So yes, this is a little gist that happened at Akwaba village inside Accra. So please, they will still be there tomorrow until 27th. So don't forget to pass through and show your support. So yes, that's about it for today here on Nsem Ewa Ghana. My name is Harry Karim, and of course, I will be bringing you more trending stories. For now, it's bye-bye.